Alright, we're back for part 2 of my gumball machine. We're going to show you how to make the outer right wall, the lever, and the gumball blocking wall. The gumball is going to hit it and stops, and so it doesn't fall out. Alright, so we're going to work on the gumball stopping wall first. It's very easy. It's not that hard, not that I'm aware of. Alright, so easy, easy, easy. Okay, so now I'm gonna hold on real quick. Alright, so hold on if I can get it off. You're gonna get two 1x8s and put them side by side, and then hold on real quick. Alright, this is more difficult than I thought. Alright, you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a 1x10 flat. You're gonna also need a 1x8 flat, and you're gonna need a 1x2 flat. Alright, you're gonna need to get a 2x2 thick and connect a 1x2 like so. Alright, and now you're gonna get two 1x8s and connect them, stacking. Okay, have that ready. And then you're gonna get a 1x8 and connect it to a 1x6 like so. And then you're gonna get a 1x4 and put at the end right here. Alright. And then you're gonna get your two stacked 1x8s and you put it to the side of it. Like, just put it to the side like that. And then you're gonna get your 2x2 and thing, whatnot, and you're gonna put it, connect it to here. The bottom of it should connect like so, so it connects. And then what you're gonna get is you're gonna get your 1x6 oh wait, 1x8, sorry, 1x8 here, and you're gonna connect it over here. And then you're gonna get your 1x2 flat and connect it right there. And then you're gonna get your 1x10 and connect it top right there. And then you should have your marble stopper piece. It's gonna be loose, so that's it. So now we're gonna show you how to make the lever. I mean, not the lever, the right side wall. Really easy. Alright. You're gonna get a 1x2, a 1x6, and a 1x8 and line them up like so. Then you're gonna get a 1x8 and connect the 1x2 and 1x6 together like so. Alright, so now you got the 1x6 and 1x2 connected to the 1x8. And now you're gonna get a 1x2 like so, connect it to the 1x8 like that. And now you're gonna get three 1x2s. Yes, this is 3. Connect it to the very end of the 1x8 like so. So it should, the 1x8 that you got should look like this to the side. See that? Alright. And so now you're gonna get three 1x4s and connect it over here. And then you're gonna get three 1x6s and connect them like so. So these now are conjoined. My bad. Like so. And then you're gonna get, let's see, how should I put this? Alright, and then you're gonna get a 1x6 and connect it on top of the three 1x2s over here, so it makes a hole. Then you need a 1x2 to the right, and a 1x4, and connect it right next to it. And then and then you're gonna get a 1x3 flat and connect the two pieces at top. And you need a 1x8 and connect it right here. And you're gonna need a 1x10 connect it right there. And so now you have the flat outer wall. Hold on. Alright, so now you should have the outer right wall afterwards. And now I'm going to show you how to make the lever. It's very mild complication. Alright. This is what it looks like. Alright. Let's see if I can put this back on. Hold on real quick. Alright, so now you're going to get a 2x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, a 2x12 flat. And you're going to connect a 2x4 to the very end of it, like so. And then you're going to connect a 2x2 flat onto the very end of that, like so. And you're going to get a 2x4 connected to the far right over here. And you're going to get another 2x4 and connect it to the remaining right there. Next, you are going to get a 2x6 flat and connect it right there. And you're going to get, how does this go? Okay, and so then you're going to get another 2x4 and place in the gap right there. And then you're going to get a flat 1x4 connect to the very end here in the center. And you're going to get two 2x3s. See two of them, 2x3s, and connect them right there. And right next one next to it. And that is the coins pusher. And you right now, out of the two videos, you should have the lever, the gumball wall stopper, the far right wall, the far left wall, the lever itself to hit the gumball out, and the front piece. And this is, I'm going to show you how to make the rest of it next video, which is this, all of this wall included. But this one's going to be most of the video. And this is going to be the most important part, but this is what it should look like at the end.